Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review for you this Hoover T-Series WindTunnel Rewind Plus Upright Vacuum Cleaner. I'm going to tell you some things I like about it and some things I like about it, because honestly I can't think of anything off the top of my head that I don't like about this vacuum cleaner. So first, one thing I really like about this vacuum cleaner is on the side here when you're vacuuming, there is a little indicator. It's green if the air is flowing through normally. If it gets clogged or if it's full or needs to be changed or cleaned, the filters, that starts to go red. That comes in super, super handy when you're vacuuming. Another thing I love about this vacuum cleaner is the power rewind. This is my first vacuum cleaner I've ever had that has this feature, and I like it a lot. It's pretty fun. So you can pull it out and then you just put your foot down on the rewind button and voila! It's pretty great. It's got a good length for cord as well. It's got a lot of suction. In fact, it has more suction than my shop vac does right now. And so I actually use this as my power horse. If I need suction, I use this vacuum. I have like a lightweight Dirt Devil vacuum that works okay. And then I've got a shop vac that's kind of small that isn't working very well right now. And then I've got this thing that's been kind of my beast for vacuuming, and I really like it. Another thing I really like about this vacuum is it's got 5 height adjustments. So you can go to low for hardwood floors, and then you just simply move it like that, and it can move to high, and it goes to low. Just kind of push it in and twist to wherever you want it. And so it's super adjustable, super easy. We have very high carpet in our living room, so I'll often put it on high carpet and it works great. If I want it to kind of berate the carpet and clean it better, I'll move it to the second adjustment. It really brushes the carpet. Like you can like see the carpet, how clean it looks after it brushes it. Another thing I like about this vacuum is that it's pretty sturdy. So it's been knocked over I don't know how many times by my children. My daughter, she's 3 years old, and she loves to press this button and watch it fly up and fall down. And she does that like over and over, and it's like a toy. So this kind of is like a kid's toy as well. But I mean, this plastic here, it's hit the ground so many times from her doing this over and over. And this part hasn't broken. And this plastic part, this is actually really sturdy plastic right here. A really good quality hose as well. So I like how sturdy it is. It's fallen over a bunch. It hasn't broken yet. We've had it for about half a year and used it all the time. Another thing I love about it is how easy it is to empty. You just simply grab it, take it off, voila. And then you press the button, and this might get me dirty, but you just go like that and it opens up. So it's super easy to empty. Sometimes you have to shake it a little bit to get all the hairs and all the carpet pieces and dirt out, but it works really well. It's super easy to clean. That's another thing I like about it. You just simply push down and twist, and then it pops right up. And you can take this part apart really easily. Occasionally I'll take a broom and just kind of shove it up in these holes to kind of knock that wallboard dust out of the vacuum, and that will really improve the suction. In here, you can open up this little lever, and there's this filter right here, so you can knock that to help clean it. I'm the kind of guy who loves to have good suction on my vacuums, and so I empty out the vacuums regularly and I clean the filters regularly, and I love how easy to clean this is. You can even like take it apart and you can wash it really good and leave it for a day to dry and then put it back together, and it sucks like a champ. Voila! So down here at the bottom, underneath the cord rewind, is a HEPA filter, looks like. That catches a bunch of the small stuff. So that's kind of a nice perk if you're worried about that kind of stuff. So now I'm gonna do the crumpled cracker test to show you the power that this vacuum has. So I'm gonna crumple up these crackers and put them on the ground. And I'm gonna show you how the vacuum does. It vacuumed those crackers up like nothing. That probably wasn't the best test, because I think any vacuum probably could have done that. But trust me, it's got some good suction. I mean, just take a look at how much suction it has on my hand. I forgot to mention, another thing I like about the vacuum is the location of the button. It's just super convenient to turn it on and off. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. I would highly recommend buying this. I bought it for myself. I really enjoy it. I'm planning on buying another one of these models when this one breaks and some future time. It's lasted great. We've put it on lots of different carpets, lots of different floors, and it's held up like a champ. I'll include a link in the description below where you can buy this vacuum on Amazon for a great price. And feel free to comment below if you have any other recommendations of vacuum cleaners that work really well for you, or any other tips that you would like to share. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.